Introducing the Advin Health Care Double Lumen Catheter Kit, a complete vascular access solution designed for safe and efficient hemodialysis procedures. Engineered for precision, reliability, and ease of insertion, the kit provides temporary vascular access while supporting optimal blood flow and patient safety. The Advin Health Care Double Lumen Catheter Kit includes all the essential components required for catheter placement using standard vascular access techniques. Each component is manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials to ensure dependable performance and procedural convenience. The Double Lumen Catheter is designed with separate arterial and venous lumens to facilitate efficient blood withdrawal and return during dialysis. Its soft, biocompatible construction promotes flexibility while minimizing vessel trauma and enhancing patient comfort. The catheter features a smooth, atraumatic tip that supports easy insertion and accurate placement. Clearly marked depth indicators assist clinicians in positioning the catheter correctly, while color-coded hubs enable quick identification of arterial and venous ports, improving workflow efficiency. The Advin Health Care Double Lumen Catheter Kit includes a guide wire, introducer needle, dilator, syringe, scalpel, and other essential accessories required for catheter insertion. The organized kit configuration helps reduce preparation time and supports standardized procedural workflow. Designed for compatibility with standard dialysis equipment, the catheter provides reliable blood flow rates required for effective hemodialysis treatment. Secure Luer lock connectors ensure stable, leak-resistant connections throughout the procedure. Each kit is supplied sterile and intended for single-use application, minimizing the risk of cross-contamination and supporting infection control protocols. Every component undergoes strict quality inspection to meet international safety and performance standards. Trusted by nephrologists, intensivists, and vascular access specialists worldwide, the Advin Health Care Double Lumen Catheter Kit delivers precision, safety, and dependable clinical performance for temporary hemodialysis vascular access.